How to check iPhone activation date. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to check your iPhone activation date, first things first, go to your settings and then go to general, go to about and then copy the serial number. You just have to long tap on it and tap on copy. Then go to your Google Chrome and then search for check coverage Apple and tap on the first link. Now you'll see enter a device serial number. Just paste it and then you'll have to type the characters above in the field below to make sure that you're not a robot. Now you can see that the purchase date is October 2020 and the coverage has been expired. So this is how you can check your iPhone activation date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.